Hello everyone, we are a research team from National Yangming Jiaotong University and NVIDIA Research. I'm Bo Wang. I'm going to introduce our work, MCPNet, an interpretable classifier by multi-level concept prototypes. This research focuses on explainable AI, aiming to make black box model more interpretable. Before diving into our method, let's talk about what explainable AI is. Imagine training a model to recognize an apple. A well-trained model might give us the correct answer, but how exactly does the model arrive at this decision? In many cases, the model operates as a black box, giving us the prediction without any insight into its internal workings. Explainable AI aims to shed light on the model's decision-making process. For instance, it can identify concepts such as the red color, brown stem, and heart-like shape in the image, which contribute to determining that it is an apple. Next, let's briefly introduce two types of explainable methods, post-hoc and inherent methods. Post-hoc methods explain decision after the model has been trained. However, they often suffer from inconsistency between the predictions and explanations. On the other hand, inherent methods integrate interpretability directly into model's structure, addressing this inconsistency but typically at the cost of some performance. Although many methods have significantly improved explanation of black box models, a common limitation persists in both types of methods. They typically provide only single-scale explanations. To address this, we introduce MCPNet, a novel hierarchical explainable classifier designed for comprehensive multi-level explanations. The MCPNet introduces a new classification paradigm that includes insight from various model layers. Additionally, our method can be seamlessly integrated into various CNN-based models without additional modules and learnable parameters. We train our model via the proposed novel constraints, Centered Kernel Alignment laws and class-aware concept distribution laws, abbreviated as CKA laws and CCD laws. With these two constraints, the trained model can extract meaningful concepts and make the prediction by considering information from various layers. We partition feature map along the channel into several segments which contain the semantic meaningful component as a bridge to provide explanations. CKA laws aims to disentangle the semantic between concept segments by leveraging the CKA matrix to ensure their similarity and minimizing it to get dissimilar and independent concepts. Before introducing the next constraint, we will introduce how we extract the concept prototypes from each segment. To outline the global concept, instead of class-specific ones, we consider the data from the entire dataset and adopt principal component analysis to identify the major directions as the concept prototypes while considering their energy. The intuitive idea for second objective is that the image belonging to the same class will construct similar MCP distribution due to containing a similar combination of the concept. We build upon the idea to propose the class-aware concept distribution laws. Finally, we will introduce our new classification paradigm for our MCPNet. For each image, the MCPNet will create a specific MCP distribution. Next, for each class, the class MCP distribution are calculated by average MCP distribution belonging to corresponding class. Finally, we classify the image by distribution matching mechanism, which using JSON channel divergency to calculate the distance. In the first part of the experiment, we compare the performance with previous methods, with our MCPNet providing multi-scale explanations and comparable performance. Next, we show the experiment for five-shot classification in which MCPNet showed a competitive performance, indicating the concepts are sufficiently generalized to discern between unseen class compared to the other methods. We also show the effect of channel sizes. Results shows similar performance with different sizes of the channels on the cross-grain datasets, such as AWA2 and Caltech 101, while the less channel benefits the fine-grained dataset Cube. Next, we compare learned prototypes with the previous method, PIPNet. The sample concept illustrates that our MCPNet can provide multi-scale concepts from various layers, such as color texture from low layer and objects in high layer. In the last part, we compare explanations between MCPNet and PIPNet. In the given case, the MCPNet makes the wrong prediction because it only provides insight into high-level feature. On the other hand, our MCPNet correctly classifies the image by multi-level features. As shown in the case, even if the high-level features respond similar to other classes, MCPNet discerns the category relying on the low-level feature and makes the correct prediction. This is all for our presentation. Thanks for your attention. If you have any questions, feel free to discuss with us.